Hello guys, and welcome back again to another Osu tutorial. In this video I will show you how to spectate your friends or other people games. So with that being said, let's go ahead and click on Osu and then click on play and then click on multi. Of course, if you have friends, you can click on online users and search for your friends, and after, for example, let's say this one, and after doing so, if they are playing the game, you can click on start spectating and you will be able to look at the spectator. So we can see the spectate. We can go back to main menu and then you can click on play multi, and you should be able to watch their game, but so the guy is not really playing the game. That's why we didn't get into the game and watch his spectate. Well, there is another way to spectate people, which is looking at their old replays. For example, let's go to play and then solo, and then let's choose whatever map you like. Let's pick, for example, this one, Mayday. I like this song a lot, and from here you can pick a random one and watch his replay by just clicking on him and then click on watch replay, and just like so you can watch his replay. Of course, you have to be connected to the internet to do so. If not, if you want to watch your friends replay, you can just click on local ranking, not local ranking, friend ranking. For me, my friend doesn't have this map, so that's why I can't see this this list in here. But if you have friends and you are a supporter of also, you will be able to see the replays just by doing the same thing, which is clicking on them and click on watch replay as I showed you before, and you will be able to watch their or spectate them in their game. So yeah guys, that was the tutorial for today. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.